Good evening, Naledi, and good evening to the viewers. Firstly, let's just be honest. The political task team in South Africa must be headed by General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. It must be coordinated at the national level, because if you transfer one mandate to the other province and partially the other province, or actually discompartmentalize the two, you are risking the fact that in one province, the task team will excel in terms of investigating and detecting the crimes, especially the real perpetrators, going deep to the principal perpetrators known as the kingpins, who called the shots for a person to be killed.
Qeda kuyibona uThabang Boshoga wakhuluma ingakaqali i-Judicial Commission of Inquiry kweMadlanga Commission. Noma ke upresident wayeseyimemezele kodwa nje uthi iqala umsebenzi wayo yayingakaqali, ethi kufanele makwakhe i-Political Killings Task Team umuntu obe inhloko yayo ufuna kube uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, kodwa esho naye ngegalela benalo kule Political Killings Task Team abe inhloko yayo lapha eKZN. Ingakho ayikhuluma kanje. Okutheke ngeviki eliphelile lesihlanu ngesikhathi uMinister we-Public Works uDean McPherson eyokwethula ngokusemthethweni i-laboratory la amaphoyisa aseKZN azosebenzela kuyo ukuze bekwazi ukuthi uma kunobufakazi babuse lab buye nemphumela bezokwazi ukuthi wenze umsebenzi wamaphoyisa ube lula. Sasesizwe indaba ke zokuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi useqokiwe ke njengozoba inhloko ye-operation ezoba khona, ushuthi ba-extenda iscope se-PKTT ukuthi isebenze nationally, kodwa uzoba yi-leader yabo uGeneral Mkhwanazi. Khulunyiwe ke lapho sikhulumile ke into eyiningi, waze wachaza izolo senze ivideo la bechaza khona ukuthi ama-funds for le operation abazoba nayo azovelaphi. Uchazile ke uGeneral Mkhwanazi wathi noma confiscator ama-assets lawa luthwe lezi gebengu azothatha lawo ma-asset athengise, ukuthatha lawo mali leyo ifundele le operation. Wathi no, zona igebengu ngokwazo zizoyifinance le operation. Ilokho ngoba inhloso yabo kulwa ne-organized crime. Kanti uGeneral Masemula ngesikhathi abese enkantolo namuhla ezelinye iphuzu elibaleke kakhulu ngesikhathi ekhuluma kanje.
Police service members, because you are South Africa's top cop and you are now in the dock, what do you say to your fellow members of the South African Police Service?
They must remain committed and do the work. Yes, I might be being dragged closer to serious criminals, which I don't know them, but they must stay positive, serve the people of South Africa, look forward. I know that I am not guilty, I am not wrong, but of course the trial must still take its course. And all I'm saying is stay focused, don't be diverted. Stay focused, continue doing the work. We have come to a close where we know what is the root cause and who's behind organized crime in South Africa, and we are dealing with it. Do you believe you...
General Fani Masemula, lento eyenzakalayo yenziwe ukuze distract bona ngoba manje sebefike la abazikhona njengoba uthi manje they've come to know uthi what is the root cause and who's behind organized crime la eSouth Africa. So mhlawumbe ingakho evukelwa ilamacala befuna ukumcharge na corruption ngoba bazama ukumthena amandla, kodwa utshela amaphoyisa ukuthi awazibambe iqine. Le message ayisho la ngithema ngizwa ngathi hey ukhuluma into eyisimanga uGeneral Fani Masemula mayikhuluma kanje. Ukhuluma into eyisimanga mayethi sebeyaqonda ukuthi yini imbangela ye-organized crime. Bayaqonda ukuthi yini eyimbangela ye-organized crime, futhi bayazi ukuthi ubani noma ngobani aba-behind le organized crime la eSouth Africa. Sekuye nje uGeneral Fani Masemula uphinde wakhuluma futhi ngoba bambuzile ukuthi njengoba esechajiwe ngabe uzoshenxa na, ngoba vele kuwumthetho ukuthi uma uchajiwe kule position akuyo, even nakwipolitiki uma uchajiwe nje kufuneka usuke bakubeke ku suspension, bathathe omunye bambeka a-act while yena sahamba court. Uphendulile ke nakhona waphendula kanje.
Commissioner, you've been charged. Are you going to be stepping us out now? Good morning, you're live on ENCA.
Well, I'm not sure why you asked the question. Of course, I'll engage with my boss and we'll take it from there.
And what does your boss say?
Well, I can't disclose those discussions. Leave it until we have discussed and then you'll be notified.
You believe you're innocent?
Very true, innocent. I did what I supposed to do. I stopped the contract, so I don't know why should I be here.
Do you think there's a witch hunt against you?
Well, I don't say witch hunt, but all I can say is that I don't think one should have been here today. We should be fighting organized crime as a group, as a joint force, but well, things do happen. Here am I on PFMA, so it's one of those things.
So it's part of the internal factional pushback, right? Because you have exposed a number of criminality, the Madlanga Commission and ad hoc. Do you think this is a pushback from within?
We have not yet finished. We are just starting. There is still a lot that we are going to expose. A lot of work around organized crime is going to be done. So, yeah.
Into akhuluma ngayo ukuthi wabaxwayisa lapha ukuthi abangayi-award le tender. Sikhulumile ngayo kwi-video yandulela le. Futhi sayikhuluma kahle. Ngicaphunela i-video ngesikhathi uGeneral Fani Molefe waye kwi-ad hoc committee. Ya uma ungayibonanga hamba ubheka i-video engiyenzile ekhuluma ngoGeneral Masemula semva kwale video le uzozwa ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngoba wabaxwayisa wabatshela ukuthi no le tender lo muntu lo i-tax clearance yakhe inenkinga ngathi is fraudulent. Okwesibili lo muntu lo uyabandakanyeka odabeni lweThembisa Hospital kodwa kunalokho baqhubeka bamnika ithenda. Ubekhona ke noFidel Adams lapha enkantolo. Ubekhona naye futhi ejabulile ngoba ethi kudala elilindile lolu suku. Kodwa usho something interesting ngoba yena ufike waba against lesinqumo esithathwe National Commissioner sokuthi athathe uGeneral Mkhwanazi athi uzoba inhloko ye-operation lezolwa ne-organized crime la eSouth Africa. Yena ukukhuluma kanje.
The police services. Remember, Masemola was given his notice to appear before court, what was it, 3 weeks ago? What's happened in those 3 weeks? He appointed Shamani as the new DNC. He made Mkhwanazi the head of another task team, which is against the Police Act because the police commissioner cannot be the head of a task team.
Remind us what other charges did you open, because these charges relate purely to the Public Finance Management Act.
I have laid a charge of nepotism and cronyism against the National Commissioner because there's, let me say, I don't want to say prima facie case evidence, but there's possible evidence that this man might be running an employment agency for family and friends.
The National Commissioner, though, believes that there is internal pushback, given the fact that they're uncovering a wide network of organized crime and nationally as well. This is probably something that won't sit well with you.
No, it does. Because if there's a wide network within SAPS that, criminal network within SAPS that must be exposed,
And
expose
outside
it.
of SAPS.
But, hold on a second. Here's the network that they didn't expose. Kumalo buying those hotels. Lushaba with the defeating the ends of justice. Madondo with a criminal clearance. The BMW brigadier. These are all the things they knew, but they didn't expose. So the National Commission is either inconsistent or is leaning towards the other side.
Right, thank you very much. Considering you are an MP.
Uthi Fidel Adams, uGeneral Fani Masemula utshelwe 3 weeks ago ukuthi fanele ezenkantolo ngalolu suku namhlanje. Kule 3 weeks into ayenzile ufike waqoka umuntu ozoba uDeputy National Commissioner endaweni ka General Sibiya. Ufike waqoka lo muntu loyo. Emveni kwalapho usevule enye task team. Usho yena. Usevule enye task team of which uphambene neSubs Act ngoba iSubs Act ayikuvumi lo. Kodwa sikuzwile thina ngoGeneral Mkhwanazi uthe ba extende iscope sePKTT. Angazi noma yimi ongezwanga kahle na. Angazi mhlawumbe ngishawa isilungu khona omunye ngithe ngenza ivideo izolo wavele wathi hayi isikole sibalekile should funa ngesikoleni mina.
So the only thing that we want to do, and even on a new task, additional task that I'm given, is to amplify the work that the PKTT in the province is doing. So the PKTT remains, is not going to go away. And instead of taking it away, we're going to add more resources and give them more scope of work so that they can focus on organized crime as well.
National Commission unikeze umsebenzi wokuthi njengoba ngiphethe iprovince la ngikwazi ukubhekelela ukusebenza kwalamaqembu lawa esowenza abekhona i-country yonke azobe sebenza endaweni ezihlukene kuma-province. Umsebenzi wabo bazobhekene nalamacala esiwabiza nge-organized crime. Lamacala ahlangene nobugebengu lo usezingeni eliphezulu, abantu abahlanganisa khona izinto abangavele akufani nomuntu ovele asuke akushaya ngempama. Sikhuluma ngomuntu ozothi kufanele ngitshontshe impahla yakho njengenkomo. Umuntu mayithi uzotshontsha inkomo yakho akayintshontshe ngoba efuna ukuyifuna. Kufanele abe nomuntu ofuna ukuyithenga noma kunebhusha ndawo ethile elivuliwe elidayisa inyama kodwa abanaso isitoko, abazi ukuthi bazothatha inyama. Bese bezakubona ukuthi sifuna inhlobo ethile zenyama esoziletha la ebhusha, sicela usithole lezo. Usuyahamba-ke wena uthuma abafana ukuthi abawontshontshwe inkomo, bazithatha inkomo niyihlinze endaweni ethile, nithathe inyama nilethe ebhusha, seyadayiswa-ke ebhusha. Lobo bugebengu esobe silusana nabo. So nginike lo msebenzi ukuthi angeke ngibhekele amaphoyisa azobe esebenza lo msebenzi. Ingakho-ke sizohlanganisa lamaqembu amaphoyisa ama-unit ahlukene ukuthi asebenze abheke into ezifana nalezo. Kuningi ubugebengu obuhlukene esobe sibhekene nabo okungaphezu kwalokhu kwenziwe ey'teshini.
Mawulalela istatement sikaFidel Adams uthi uNational Commissioner akanalungelo lokusungula i-task team, kodwa mawuzwa uGeneral Mkhwanazi uthi ba-expand umsebenzi we-PKTT izonikezwa amanye ama-resources kuhlanganiswe namanye ama-unit ukuze kwazi ukuthi kuliwe ne-organized crime i-South Africa yonke, okusho ukuthi lilonke akuna-task team entsha ezosungulwa. Kodwa-ke ngoba uFidel Adams vele usempini noGeneral Mkhwanazi kanye no-National Commissioner, yingakho efuna ngathi la kunentuba khona ukuthi abagxeke noma abathole benephutha ezama ngakho konke okusemandleni. Yingakho ngithe nje hayi angenze le video, asiyibambeke le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphawula wakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lolu daba esilixoxayo. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe bese sidibana kwi-video elandelayo. Ya ngeke ngakusho lokho, khona abantu abavele bakubone ngoba ungasikhuluma isilungu bese bethi haya awufundile. Ngoba nje ungasikhuluma isilungu bakuthathe ngathi awufundile. Angeke ubone isihloko engisibhalile bese uconclude ithi video ikhuluma ngaleso sihloko leso. Hayi angeke kuze kwenzeke. Abantu abangababhali beincwadi bayazi. Ufunda incwadi isihloko sawo sithi amathunzi ayewukela, kodwa awufundi ngamathunzi mase ufunda incwadi. Awufundi ngamathunzi. Owakwafunda incwadi kaDr Nakanjani sibuye ithi bengithi lizokuna khulunywa ngaZulu lapha. Yini ke manje kunzima ukuchazela umuntu uyena uvela athathe nje akuthathe ngathi wena ufundanga. Yazi isikole esibalekile. Ayi bantu ba ku YouTube no akusenani kulungile.